Hello everyone, thank you very much for clicking on this video. This video is actually an introduction to a multi-part series where I'll cover how to get your SD-WAN lab running in EVE-NG on top of Google Cloud. Not just how to do that, but how to create your smart account, how to transfer your SD-WAN files to EVE-NG, and then finally, how to get your edge devices to talk to the controllers. Before I jump into anything else, I'd like to mention some prerequisites. So for one, I am using EVE-NG Pro. I am not sure if you can follow exactly the topology with GNS3 or EVE-NG Community. You possibly can. I believe the main differences between EVE-NG Pro and Community are the fact that EVE-NG Community doesn't allow you to use the Docker containers, which I'll use during these walkthroughs as a CA server. But I thought I would just mention that. Also, I'm going to be using IOL images in the underlay in the walkthrough. I will also make sure to include a topology with viral images as well. So I'll have two different lab files where you can upload this and everything will be pre-cabled, so to say, for either your IOL or viral images, depending on what you're going to use and what you have access to, as well as the fact that I'm using SD-WAN images from Cisco version 19.2.2, which are the actual latest recommended releases. All these things that I mentioned right here, except the topology file, I cannot include for legal reasons. But nevertheless, I'll actually pull up right here and show what images I'm going to be using uh, in the walkthrough. So starting from the beginning, I'm using vmanage version 19.2.2, so the latest suggested release. I'm using the .qcal2 variant. So for all EVE-NG files, you want to make sure that you get the .qcal2 variant so they can function correctly when downloading them off the Cisco website. Same thing with the vsmart over here. I got this file right here. Oops, latest suggested release, as well as with the TeleEdge file. So the vBond and the vEdge both use the same file source. So we're gonna be using this file to create both the image for the vBond and the vEdge. Now for the cEdge, Cisco Edge, I'm using CSR 1000V image 1612 4 ED, so the latest release. Make sure when you're downloading the SD-WAN image for the CSR 1000V that you get the serial QCal2 variant. Don't get the .qcal2 variant. Uh, Main difference is that if you do get the QCal2 variant, it will look like the CSR is partially booted up, but after a while it will just stand there and won't do anything else. There won't be any more output. So you want to make sure that you get the serial.qcal2 file. I'll make sure to include all relevant links in the descriptions of each of the videos. And now we'll actually move on to setting up the VM on Google Cloud. Thank you.